what a sound. So I'm still on the hunt to create the ultimate M3 G80, which has led me to Arma Speed. These guys also made the intake for my M135i, and they have now created a carbon fiber air intake for the M3 G80. And it sounds just awesome. It's incredible. I mean, wow, it's slippery out today. Darth Vader is one of my childhood heroes, but maybe that's why I like it this much. But those hissing sounds, the turbo blowing off, it's just incredible. You can really hear it spooling up. And it looks incredible too, because the F80 M3 had this beautiful carbon fiber strut brace, and it was just a party piece when you open up the bonnet. And the G80, I have to say, is a bit boring when you open up the bonnet. But with this Arma Speed carbon fiber air intake, the drama is back. It looks absolutely incredible. The sound, oh, you keep short shifting it, because low down, full throttle is where you get these nice sounds. And especially with the manual, I can't stop talking about the manual. It's incredible. But and then the FI exhaust takes over when you pass like 4,000 RPM. All hell breaks loose. It's, oh, this car, I've had it for nearly a year now, and it still puts a smile on my face every day. I mean, it's incredible. So apart from the sound and the eye candy, you also have a little performance gain, because they say it adds like 10 to 15 horsepower. And my best run with stock software was 9.2, and after the installation I did a 9.1, so that seems valid. And I cannot wait for the ECU to be unlocked, because then we can get the full potential out of this car power wise, which means 700 horsepower probably. So yeah, I think this wasn't my last trip to Mosselman, because I want to do as many mods as possible. They have to improve the car, of course, because there are also mods that don't improve your car. So to conclude, the Arma Speed air intake, it looks absolutely awesome, 10 out of 10. It sounds awesome, and it really has given a bit of drama that was missing. So the FI exhaust made sure that we have that beautiful E46 M3 sound, but we also have to like embrace the fact that we have a turbocharged car. And with the Arma Speed air intake, you can really have the drama of a turbocharged car, all the nice turbo sounds in the front, and in the back we have the beautiful FI exhaust E46 sound. So sound wise, we're there, guys. This is the ultimate G80 M3 when it comes to sound.